I want to talk a little bit about those tornadoes. I mean, not one, but a couple of tornadoes during this storm system.
Yeah, that just becomes an avatar for how unusual the weather has been over the past 10 days or so. And the last of the showers are making their way across the Bay Area as we speak right now. And you can see that as we look out from our Treasure Island camera. Here is that shower on First Alert Doppler moving right down the coast over the Golden Gate and over the western half of the city. It's going to continue down the peninsula. And another shower is moving right along the spine of the East Bay Hills, moving off to the southeast. But these are really the last showers that we are going to see as we head through the rest of this evening and into tonight. And the last showers we're going to see for several days. Here's another look at those clouds looming over downtown San Francisco. Temperatures are in the low to mid 50s across the board. It's been a chilly day overall, but a steady warm up is in store as we head through the next several days. Not so much tonight, though. It's going to be cold out there for early tomorrow morning, and some locally dense fog is going to try to develop, especially in the East Bay valleys. There's going to be plenty of fog to the Central Valley. Some of that is going to spill through the Delta and into the inland valleys of the East Bay, so quarter-mile visibility from Concord over towards Antioch. That's going to take a little while to diminish. Anybody else who has some fog, visibility should rapidly improve, and we should see unobstructed visibility as we head towards late morning with a mix of clouds and sunshine overhead for the rest of the day. Temperatures tonight dropping down to those chilly levels, mid to upper 30s inland to around 40 degrees in San Jose, mostly low 40s around the Bay and along the coast. These numbers anywhere from 3 to 6 degrees below average, but it's not record setting. It's just a little bit of a February cold snap, and temperatures tomorrow are going to bounce back, still remaining a few degrees below normal. Let's take a look at those forecast highs for Friday afternoon, finishing off the work week close to 60 degrees in San Jose, but just short, and you're going to be the warm spot, although just a degree cooler in Los Gatos at 58 degrees, mostly in the mid to upper 50s, and a lot of these temperatures are going to be in the mid 50s as opposed to approaching 60 degrees. But like today is the chilliest weather that we'll see for a while. Tomorrow is the coolest day in the 7-day forecast, so we're going to steadily warm up as we head through the weekend. It'll take a little while. You'll have to settle for near average temperatures as we head through Saturday and Sunday, but just a little bite to the air tomorrow afternoon. That warm up is noticeable as we take a look at the 10-day temperature outlook for San Jose. Again, one of the warmer spots tomorrow, but only at 59 degrees, but climbing into the low 60s Saturday and Sunday in the Santa Clara Valley, and then several straight days in the mid 60s. Even with some additional cloud cover by Wednesday and Thursday, we're still going to climb up to about 3 or 4 degrees above normal, and in the middle of February, we'll take what we can get when it comes to above average temperatures. It's not going to last forever. We do get back to an unsettled weather pattern. The 6 to 10 day outlook from the Climate Prediction Center, which takes us into President's Day weekend, shows a significant chance of wetter than normal conditions shaping up for most of California. And the 8 to 14 day outlook takes us into the week after President's Day weekend, also shows a significant chance of that wet weather pattern continuing. So enjoy this dry break that we have in store for us while it lasts. Let's take a look at the 7-day forecast, and it is been a rarity lately that we have a 7-day forecast that is mostly rain-free. And I'll say mostly because the very last day of the 7-day forecast, we are bringing a chance of showers into the forecast by next Thursday. A lot of uncertainty about that. Some of the forecast models bring it in as early as Wednesday night. Others hold it off until Friday night into Saturday. So it's still a lot that can be sorted out over the next several days. But a dry weekend sounds pretty good to me at this point, guys.